Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science certifications with Pluralsight detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Pluralsight, which is www.pluralsight.com. Once the website loads, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button if you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, locate the Start Free Trial button on the home page. Click on this button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Follow any additional prompts to set up your account. After setting up your account, you will be directed to the Pluralsight dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type Data Science Certification into the search bar and press Enter. Browse through the results to find the certification you are interested in. Click on the certification course that catches your attention. Read through the course description to ensure it meets your needs. Once you decide to proceed, click on the Enroll button. If prompted, select the subscription plan that suits you. Review your subscription options and choose the plan that allows access to the certification. Proceed to the payment page and enter your payment information. Confirm your payment details and submit your order. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your Pluralsight dashboard to find your enrolled certification course. Start engaging with the course material at your own pace. Utilize any additional resources provided, such as practice exams or study guides. Stay consistent and track your progress as you complete the certification. Once you finish all required modules, take the final assessment, if applicable. After passing, you may receive a certificate of completion to showcase your achievement. Congratulations on advancing your data science skills with Pluralsight certification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.